morning and welcome to Nick Whale Motorhomes. I'm Andy and this is the Giottiline Siena 396. Now, anybody who's not aware of Giottiline, it's part of the Rapido group and it's fantastic value for money. Now, this particular unit is 7.4 metres in length. It's got 5 berths and it's got 5 travel seats. 3.5 tonne unit, so it can be driven on a standard driver's licence. So yeah, it ticks an awful lot of boxes as a family van. Well, what's not to like? Not a lot in all fairness, but you'll see that as we go around. So to start off with, this is the Premier Edition. So it's got all the toys, which I'll go through more in a moment. I've ordered this one on the Peugeot base. It's a 140 auto. So again, it's part of Stellantis. It's in the Fiat family. It is very much the same sort of thing. Costs you a little less though. So again, looking after your pocket. Alloy wheels. We've got the Lanzarote grey cab. Got these lovely double glazed windows. Electric hookup point just here, water fill just there. As we go around, it has a good sized garage. Now it works in a slightly different way, which will be easier to see inside. But what you've got is you've got a bunk bed arrangement at the back. Like I said, it's a great family layout, but this bottom bunk can lift up and lock off. So that means then that this area all becomes garage if you don't need it. And that will become more evident inside because again, it's interesting. I say it's 5 berth, 5 travel. 5 travel is true. 5 berth, well, I'd really say 6. Got a reversing camera just up there. And again, we've got window at the back just there. You can see better inside the garage from here. So even with the bunks down, you've got plenty of space underneath there. And like I say, this one does literally lift up, lock off, and all that becomes garage space. But you've still got the window in there, so you've got a lot of natural light. You've also got reading lights in there. And if you're wondering, it does have a bike rack. It's just sat on the bed at the moment though, because we haven't fitted it as yet. We've got the flue for your heating just here. Cassette toilet, and of course we've got the awning runs the full length. Fridge vents here and here. And gas locker just here. Now you'll fit yourself a couple of 6 kilogram propanes, no problem at all in there. So let's go inside. Now, the first thing, I shall let Mia in, is it's a very open plan layout, and that's because we've got the double drop down bed above. And again, nice and easy, you just turn the key, the right way helps. You drop that down and you can see it is a proper double, but you've also got the meshing underneath which will lock into the roof, which stops you from falling out in the middle of the night. You've also got the ladder that's just in the garage at the moment, so again, access is pretty easy. Beauty is when you're done, you just pop it up out the way and it's gone. It's not always there. So if there's not always 5 people or 4 people on board, if you don't need it, you just pop it away. Right, let's pop some lights on in here. There we go, make everything a little lighter. Now, some of the lights as well are touch sensitive, like this one just here. Now, when we go through into the cab, I don't go through prices in videos because prices can change all the time, and it is something that is always very fluent. But the beauty with the Giottiline as a product is the value for money is absolutely phenomenal. If you're wondering about the buzzing, it's telling me there's no water in the fresh water tank, which we're already aware of. Now, as I said to you, it's a Premier Edition. Now, I have written down on here, because there's loads of bits in the Premier Edition, and there's bits and pieces that we've added. So again, the first thing to remember with a lot of these vans is you might see 3 of them out there, but they're not necessarily the same spec. So you need to check that. But to give you an idea on this particular vehicle, we've had the sports pack, you've got the pleated cab blinds, you've got the 9-inch media center, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got the kitchen sink cover, you've got the XL 2-point entrance door with the window and the central locking. You've got the HD rear camera, obviously the cab seats are all in the matching upholstery. It's the 8-speed automatic gearbox, and as we've said, it's 140 brake horsepower. We've already said about the alloy wheels. You've also got the Isofix anchor points on those 2 seats just there. You've got cruise control, you've got heated waste tank, you've got habitation door fly screen, you've got the Elba upholstery, you have all-season tyres, duo controls, cab and living area carpets. Now, those are part of that particular set. What we've added is the Lanzarote grey cab, the bike rack, the 3-burner hob rather than the 2-burner, the oven, the Trumi Combi, which is the electric heating as well as the gas, the awning, and of course the leisure battery. So like I say, you might have 3 of these in a line, but it doesn't mean they're the same spec, so it's always worth checking. The Premier Edition is the one that makes most sense for most people because, again, the value for money is still absolutely phenomenal. And as we say, you have your cab blinds just here, you have steering wheel controls, you have traction plus, hill descent, lovely media center there, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you've got your toys you would expect. You've also got this lovely panoramic roof just above, which again is opening, but again lets a lot of natural light in. Both cab seats swivel, and you can see, I mean, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can probably sit about 6 people in here very comfortably. The table moves in all directions. So there's a handle, which is just here, so we can spin that to wherever we want to go, backwards and forwards and everything else. Now, I'm going to move this just over here for a second because you can see we've got the 2 seats here. They're Isofix. And then underneath this seat, you have a lap belt, which just, if you look inside there, Mia, just sits there next to where the leisure battery goes. Now, this piece just springs down and that opens up so you can fit 2 people there and another person there. So, like I say, that's where you get your 5 travelling seats. But when we're talking about 5 berth, I think this is more of a 6 berth, really. So, there's a pedal just on the floor. You can press that and then you can just slide this down. And you can move it to wherever it needs to go, like I say, with a handle. So we'll lock that down there, push that right across. This piece then just pops out. Now this is easier if I just move the seats back round for a moment. Let's pop that one to there and that one over there. That then folds over and will lock into place just here. That goes there. That goes in there. Now, as I said, that's not a single bed. That is definitely more of a double. I mean, for a couple of kids especially, you're going to have no problem. So even if you have made the garage up, 2, top bunk, you've still got your 5. So it's not really much of an issue. And then, again, very simple. Just fold that back over, pop that in, press the button on the floor, up it pops. Now, again, when you're dining, you just fold that over. And again, you've got a lovely big dining table here. I mean, it really is a fantastic family layout because there's space. And you've got space in abundance. But you can still move about. And like I say, you can put this to wherever you need it to be. So you can pack it right over. You've still got your access point through. It's not causing you any issues at all. Now, on top of that, of course, even though you've got a drop down, you've still got a couple of storage cupboards just there. You've got your blinds, you've got your fly screens on the windows. Kitchen, as we've already said, you've got your 3 gas hobs just there. Up here, of course, you've got 2 30 volts, and we've got more storage. Mixer tap, and obviously we've got your sink cover there. And again, it's a good sized sink. Over on this side, we've got your oven. And we've got a very large fridge freezer. Now this is a 3-way with an auto function. So you've got a separate freezer compartment at the top. And a huge fridge down below. Heating is just up here, along with your controls for your 12 volts. TV prep is there, but you do need to add a TV aerial if you want to go down that route, though a lot of people are doing Wi-Fi these days. Thermostat just there for your heating, which I've already said is a gas and electric unit. So we're ticking a lot of boxes you'd expect from something 20 or 30,000 pounds more, which is always a nice thing to do. When we come through, we have a separate shower on this side, and you can see you've got 2 drain holes there as well, which is always nice. The beauty of this van for me is this area, because we've got our bunk beds, but we've actually got a small lounge. So you've got a seat just there, we've got a seat just there, we've got storage underneath, storage above, we've got good sized wardrobe just here. Now this table can lock away in that wardrobe, but again, if the kids want to be in here, they've got their own room, they can be playing, but it can just slide away, and again it just locks on that. If you don't need it, you take it off. They're 2 good sized bunks. They have their own reading lights, and of course we have another touch sensitive here. And like I say, you've just got the handles there, you just link those up, it locks into place. You have a garage if you need it, but it's flexible. And because it's so flexible, it works really well. Now I'm going to swap places with Mia here, because the other beauty of this, of course, is once the kids have gone to bed, you can physically shut this door. You've got your own space in the front. The kids have got their own space in the back. But again, it's great because you've got a separate toilet over here and wash basin. You've got more storage just up above there. Another touch sensitive light. An actual proper window. So again, if you get condensation in this area, it's great for getting rid of it, but it's opaque. So you don't have to pull the blinds up. Yeah, I mean, it just works fantastically well. There are a lot of family units on the market, but not many that work quite as well as the Giottiline 396. I think it's fantastic. I hope you do too. So thank you for watching the video. Really hope you've enjoyed it. It's always worth coming to see if we've got it in stock if you're looking for a family van. But again, check first because these things come in and they go out very quickly. Though we should be able to order you one. Thank you for watching. Look forward to meeting you soon.